Here's the deal. You get these like 3 to 4 to 5 day periods of just massive pumpage. Then you have some indecision and then dumpage. And it goes back and forth. So you have like 2 to 3 good periods a month to nail the altcoins. And I try to find, and that's what we do here on the channel. We go over Bitcoin, and then we look for those perfect moments in time to nail the altcoin. So that's what I'm doing here. And my line in the sand here is this $975 billion area. The bulls must break back above $975 billion. The 4 hour is getting very overbought and double topping here. Likely that we don't do it. Likely that we head lower, either to this liquidity zone at 924 or even lower to $898 billion. So the 4 hour, again, not in our favor. It's the worrisome time frame. However, we're getting low on the 1 hour and not going any lower. So this is just this is a juxtaposition of time frames. So what do you say? What do you do? You got to watch the 1 hour and see what the 1 hour gives you. At that point, it'll fill out, it'll find its cycle, and then you can make a call on the next idea. Really an ugly pattern, but look, it broke out and broke back in. We're getting really mixed signals right now. And that's not even this is like a hard pattern it's not even a decent pattern. You know what I mean? You could say it's like this flag. Strange. 15-minute attempting to break back up. So I kind of see what's happening here now. We're going to project an inverted head and shoulder on the 15-minute time frame. All right? That would eventually be something like this. And we would make that tight pennant. And we could still end up breaking out. So right now we're defending $950 billion. So you want to stay above it. If we can hold above $950 billion, this market can change. We end up below it and getting sucked back to this liquidity at 944 and then even lower. And then we can end up back down here at about $900 billion. And so can we hold $950 billion? The 1 hour is attempting to do that for us. The 4 hour says no way, that M's going to dump on you. So we got to wait for the 1 hour to fulfill its cycle, you know. But again, it's still pressing down with more downside. So I'm seeing a decision. Seeing a decision sideways right now. I'm not going to make a call right now. Normally I'll come on the channel, I'm like, I'm long, I'm short. Right now, I was like, at the beginning of the channel, I said, traditionally, you would have to be short here. Why? Because that's an M. You couldn't get above. And then you had an M here. So traditionally, you have to be short. But I saw the 15 minutes saying, no. So that's what kind of like, so I had to pull back there and say, wait. You can almost say this is the flag here now. Funny, when you look at it differently, you see it different. So like right now, we're still in this flag. And if this flag breaks out on the 15, that'd be awesome. Because that would get us to 995 and back and above 975. 975 is a big deal. We don't break above it, look for more downside. So I'm waiting for the daily or the 4 hour candle to close above 975 billion. We do that, and then the 4 hour resets, we're going to open a lot of altcoin long. So here's the deal. You get these like 3 to 4 to 5 day periods of just massive pumpage. Then you have some indecision and then dumpage. And it goes back and forth. So you have like 2 to 3 good periods a month to nail the altcoins. And I try to find, and that's what we do here on the channel. We go over Bitcoin, and then we look for those perfect moments in time to nail the altcoin. So that's what I'm doing here every day. And sometimes we find all the altcoin setups, but Bitcoin doesn't play ball with us. You know what I'm saying? So we're watching Bitcoin on this inverted head and shoulder on the 15-minute. Can it break back up to this upside here at 21,260, right? Can we get back above the zone? Again, there's heavy resistance here at that. You see, this is heavy resistance. If we can't get above this, expect more downside too. So 21,500 is going to be a big deal. Can we get back above it? And, you know, we will see. And that's Bitcoin's struggle for the day. All right. That's Bitcoin in a nutshell. They faked out a short. They brought us back above 20K. We're watching closely. To me, indecision chop, not the best to trade. Flux is the only thing on my radar for gains. And then I know I'm going to watch these shorts and see how they play out on the 15 and the 1 hour. And if they come down to where I want them to be, I'm going to trade that 4 hour Ethereum 3S and Phantom 3S. You see? So I know exactly what I'm going to do. I have it planned out and ready. And I'm just waiting on my alert system and I'm waiting on to watching the 15-minute and the 1 hour time frame. So, and again, 6-7 hours from now, my whole situation will change if certain things don't play out the way I wanted them to, or if the plan doesn't, or if the TA doesn't play out the way it was supposed to. You get what I mean? So you set your plans, you set your alerts, and then you go from there. You don't force anything, okay? And you only trade the trades that make sense to you, and you stay patient. If you're forcing trades every 5 seconds, you're going to chew through your account. You're going to lose a lot of money. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing I say and do should be taken as financial advice. What I am is a trader. Every single day I'm here. Every single day without a day off. All right? The discipline to be here every day. The dedication, the desire, and the determination. The 4 Ds that I bring up every time I'm here. First, you have the desire to change your life. Then you find something that you want. You got to get, you got to get basically dedicated to something that you like. I dedicated myself to crypto. Then you find the discipline to keep the dedication alive. Some days you don't wake up ready to go, but you do it anyway. You find the discipline and then the determination to never quit, no matter how hard it gets. You say, you know what? I'm going to keep pushing forward. It's the testimonials that change me, everybody. It's not the money. The money's cool. The money's great. It's fun to be successful. It's fun to have a business that's growing and moving. But at the end of the day, I'll tell you what, I wake up in the morning and I read these and they change me. I can't thank you enough, Sam, for this group and the vibe you have created in the group. I'm so glad I made the choice to join the 99. I made the decision to learn as much as I could about trading. I started by watching BitBoy, then Frankie Candles, but I couldn't afford Market Cypher, so I tried Fu Manchu, but noticed the differences between the two and didn't trust it. Then I saw you on the show and checked out a couple of the videos and was hooked. You had me at hello when you said RSI, SRSI, and MACD are all you need. So I started watching the daily stream faithfully every day while I was at work. I wanted to join the 99, but I was hesitant, a decision I've been kicking myself for ever since. But after I missed the Luna short, that was it. I had to join. So I started with 500, and I paid for the 99, TradingView and 3 comma subscriptions. I cut everything that I didn't have to do with crypto or trading. I started getting up an hour early for work every day to hit the charts and see whatever you or one of the elite had posted overnight. I followed Rainier like a hawk, and I tried to learn as much as I could from him. I'm still learning from him every day. He is dope, bro. Always willing to help. I love the vibe you have created here. The only thing I can compare it is to skateboarding when I was a teenager. Like, I want to see my friend hit that next trick, and neither of us can do yet. But I want to learn and then do something that he can't do. Never any shade, just positive reinforcement, helping both of us be better. But with that original 500 minus the subscriptions, I set a goal for myself back in May when I joined, that by the time my daughter's wedding came, I would be able to do something for her. That day came on Saturday, and I gave her a wedding gift of $15,000. Now I'm even hungrier for my ultimate goals. That boss kind of money. Thank you, Sam. Lifers. This dude gave $15,000 to his daughter on her birthday, on her wedding day. You know what I'm saying? Like, because we show up every single day. Like, so thank you so much for these. They changed my life. They make me feel amazing. And no amount of money could ever replace a testimonial like that. In fact, you're able to provide for your daughter. Like, she had a beautiful wedding day, and he even gave us a picture of the daughter in the wedding day. It's not here. I don't want, it's in our group. It's for us. But man, Big Wig Energy, I love you from the bottom of my heart, man. Thank you so much. You're gonna make me tear up, dude. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. You're gonna make me tear up. So look, Bitcoin's struggling for sure. You know what I'm saying? 20K is a battle right now. Oversold in the 15-minute. Attempting to make a move, but it's sideways behavior too. This is just sideways. Now, the Bears should have beat us to the ground there, and for some reason they didn't. So it's like, what's going on? The 3-day chart attempting to make a bit of a reversal. The daily chart showing signs of life. We take it one day at a time, one step at a time. I'm ready for 10K. I'm ready for 40K. Anything could happen. You must be ready for anything.